Bitch! Oh! Ah! Oh shit! Shit! Oh fuck! Ah!
Celebrities to get out of here. Survival skills are what you lack. I'm finding barehanded, buddy. That's what you can do, British.
Wait for me. Oh, Marie, you better especially run. You wanna know why? Because you're Japanese.
Hey, you pink dildo heavy prick, you dropped on the head again. You live under a rock. Whoa.
You can rap, well, let's pretend.
Okay, Felix Ford, I've had enough of this. You can't rap good at all. Cartoon.
Hey, this is an April Fool's? Crap! Shit. Then the battle just won't make sense. Yeah, won't make sense. Perfect pure randomness. Yeah, pure. Anyways, Doug, like OJ, versus chicken strip bacon. I mean, one bacon.
My name is Doug, but I'm not even fly. Did I mention my name was Doug? By the way, your flying fat ass are like my desk. Right you with my dummy bed hand is not impressed. I went to the computer and it made me sing. You got some more fun and have more ding-a-ling. Cause Doug's my name, speeds my game, chicken flame. Now I will choke, now it's time to say my name again.
Yes, you what's your recipe, that's me. You're just jealous cause we're just tasty. I'm funny like you're not gonna do with me. I was take the theme, I got twice as rage. The muscles and incredible love. I will do your house up, but you don't know me. Yeah, I got G's. I will rate your abs 2 out of 3.
Poncho, put a little chicken in the pool. I gotta go to the toilet for a take off my shoes. I was very. That's just a pretty big.
Well, Anthony, gentlemen, me your screen. You've been treated less funny than Mr. Bean. This dog is a hug. Well, I am Frank. Remember in the last paper fools when I was a monkey?
Well, wrote this. Spelled my name wrong. Listed as a long clog like ping pong. This video will probably get over 50 views, cause it will go faster than the bus, cuz.
You guys are like my friends. I'm super cool, but you guys are eating worse than giraffe eating me.
Wappy here, I'm quite big. Even though I'm cute, you better get Please can we be friends like Ben 10?
Harry, and I have no friends.
Oh yeah, you sack the balls. I got the best foot monkeys. But after all, maybe I should jack his fellow friends off.
Going to Roman versus Bill Cypher calling. Oh no, you can't reveal a battle. You will make a mad big brain rattle. A tattle, a paddle, a metal. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yee, yee, yee,
Oh, this is so fucking stupid.